I'll have to make do with the lower resolution. Normally my laptop goes up to 1080p, but this projector is about 720p. But we'll see what we can do. I'll open up my... Oh, actually, I can show you one of the... Oh yeah, I'll show you another team member that we had. I think it's... Do you remember what his one was? This one?
I think it says Alex.
No, Alex, does it?
Level 1-5?
No, that's mine. Might be this one. We'll have a look anyway.
It's a tiny file.
No, that's Anne's. It must be...
The next biggest one.
I think it's this one.
Oh, but that's Anna's one.
Oh, that is, yeah.
Because both of it.
Yeah, level 13. This one?
That one. Yep, third level.
Ah! So, this is another sort of take on the space theme. We're all working together, but then we also sort of went off and did our own things. These green things here are blocking volumes. So you can move this block around, and when the player bumps into that, they won't actually be able to go through it. And yeah, the walls automatically block the player. You can
set them to
you can set them to not block as well, and it's very easy to move around the viewport. Right now I'm holding the right mouse button in and just using WASD to move around. You can do that very easily. This is terrain that's been brought in, so you can switch to the terrain editing mode, which is this one, and you get this massive window that fills up your screen. But yes, these are some of the brush tools. That's to paint, and you can actually let me see, paint. And I think I'm going to have to, yes, over here. Where's the rocks?
Side view.
Yeah. Is this it?
Yep.
Yeah, you can...
Did you take the
Is that painting anything?
Oh, you had to press control.
Oh, it's the control. Is it Alt or Control? Yeah. So, I'll just make a new one actually, because I won't edit my teammates. You can add in like a... Where's terrain? I know it's in here somewhere. Here it is. Yeah, new terrain. Next. Then we end up with this thing. What we can do with this, see how you just raise up sections like that?
Add a material to it.
Yeah, I'll add a material to it as well. Let me find a dirt material. This is your content browser. It's a big encyclopedia of anything that you might need to find. UDK comes with a whole bunch of stuff, and I want materials, so I'm going to go to that.
So you can download like other materials.
Yeah, you can download other materials, you can download other sounds and import them straight into UDK. This is all set up for you already. This is what goes into making a dirt texture. You've actually got your texture, which is that, but then it's used that texture to actually give it depth as well, using a normal map. Normal actually is a special texture with colors on it that tell it to either pull back from the screen or push forward to the screen to actually give you the illusion of depth. But I'll take this texture, I just need to select it in there, and then I can create a new terrain setup layer. That'll add in there, and I have dirt, just like that. And then from there, I can continue adding or subtracting. I can make a really big dip. I can change the strength of my brush if I want to have a really sudden change, just like that. So I can create a cliff very easily. And I can...
You should add the player there.
Whoa, I don't want that. I could add in some lava and stuff like that. It might take a little bit long, but...
No, lava's just material.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Lava material.
And you can easily just go play from here. but there's no lighting yet, so I'm going to drop in a dominant directional light. I need the content browser.
You can just right click and add dominant direction.
Yeah, the content browser is built in. Because the Unreal Editor is a whole set of tools. Well, this is actually going off on Unreal Tournament 3, which, and this UDK package actually gets updated about every month or two. So the latest version is from, I think, last month, and it adds DirectX 11 features as well. You could use that, but it won't quite be the same, because the 2003 edition is Unreal Engine 2. It has a lot of similar functionality, but this one just looks a lot nicer. That's about how it works, but you can certainly learn it like that. Like if you've got an older computer, you could run Unreal Engine 2 on that. So I want to add directional light here.
Yep.
And what you have to do is actually build the lighting. To get a proper frame rate in the UDK levels, it actually does a lot of the hard work before you actually play the level. It does a lot of the calculations and stores them out to a file to be read in again. And then I can play. And here I've dropped into a ditch, and that was a big ditch that I made. But I can cheat and I can fly. Whee! I believe I can fly. But yeah, I can go all the way up here, and then I can look down. Yes, I can.
How do you do that?
By default, if you load these up inside of Unreal Tournament 3, it will be a deathmatch map, and it will spawn enemies for you. But I'll chuck in a... Yeah. Add actor. I want to add, is it a player start? I want to add...
Player start, like the location.
Yeah, the player start is where you will spawn. I'll add...
That's just a starting.
Yeah. I'll add a player start there. But look into the content browser.
Just type bot here.
No, there is no bots. You can't just drop bots in. I think I can spawn a bot.
You can spawn a bot.
Yeah.
Remember you did that for ads?
Yeah. I think I can... But... I know I can add...
Add bot.
Ah, there we go. Now, did I add it at the right spot? And yeah, you can fall into the void. Sorry?
How would you make like an area where that would
Kills you.
Yeah, what you go into is world properties.
Just type.
And no, I know where it is. It's right here. There's a thing that's called kill Z. Because Z is your third dimension, your up and down dimension. You set it to something like negative 400.
And then done.
Negative 9001.
9001.
Yeah, and if you see in my orthographic view here, there's a big red line. That is the red line of death. So once you go past the red line of death, you die.
Wait, you can go down the hole and you automatically die.
Yes. Ragdoll physics, yay!
Just create a lava texture.
How would you set like multiple kills?
Sorry?
How would you set up like multiple kills over this? Like different places?
What you can do is you can grab, it's called the builder brush. It's this, I'll go into this thing, this red thing here. Where is it? There it is. This allows you to put in walls, it allows you to put in water and any other thing, and that terrain is really annoying me. So I'm going to... No, I'm not going to turn it off. I'm just going to try not to click on it. And I'll move into this hole. But what I can make from this is a trigger volume. Yeah, you mainly use the box. You can turn it into a cylinder, you can turn it into a sphere. That's a really poor sphere.
Yeah, can you make actual spheres? I've only ever managed
No, you can.
If you want to make an actual sphere, you add more to this, and then it makes a much smoother sphere.
Do 1 million.
Oh, it won't let me. I'm
5
sorry.
maximum.
Yeah, 5 is the maximum. So yeah, you can see how many polygons that has in it. Yes.
Random sun.
Yeah, let's chuck it up in the sky and make a sun.
Like the directional point line inside it. Too close to the sun. I see it.
No, if you look at it,
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it for like 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
I'm sunbursting.
I'm going to add this. Yeah. Yes, you can. That if it falls a certain distance. How I would do that is I'd set up my level so that they go through a trigger volume, which is just an area that they pass through, and you can link that up in Kismet to actually start taking away their health. So you can set a delay to it and actually make them have health detract after they keep falling, but then when they stop falling, they hit another trigger volume and it stops it. So you can switch things on and off. But I want to change the material of this sun. I'll see what I can find. Yes. Fire. Aha.
That's a fiery sun.
Let's have a look at this.
It's an intense sun.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
My sun's about 12 times too big. Very tornado.
One second. What's happening here?
Did you build it?
Oh.
Oh, it's lagging.
Yeah, it's lagging. Sorry.
Because it has too many polygons. Yeah. Delete it and make it a square. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna Control Z that a few times. I think because I put the ground texture on the circle as well.
Yeah. The sun's gonna be worse. It's gonna be intense then.
Yeah. Okay. The sphere is too intense.
Very intense.
Maybe you should do some destroying.
Yeah. Then we... If I rebuild lighting... Oh! Here we go. Let's go and preview lighting instead. Yep. Building all is a process that you end up in after a while. You just end up building all the time whenever you make changes to lighting.
Oh, I hate that thing.
Yeah. Yeah. I think Tom was at around 4-ish or something like that. Yep. This is really cool. If you have lots of computers in your home, you can set up this swarm agent on all of them and make all the computers in your house just render lighting for you.
Yeah, you put the ground texture.
Okay. And what we do with this... should add with the fire texture, but it's not. Oh, I finally got my right click. Okay. And I haven't got the latest version of UDK, so I don't know why it's doing all these strange things, but bear with me. When in doubt, start again.
Oh my god. You know what you should do? You should show them the example thing that came with the UDK, remember?
Yeah, I will. Maybe it's just this fire texture.
Removable textures will take a while to load.
Right?
You just created two.
Yeah, I did create two. But I can't see them. I think that texture needs to be applied to a different sort of material to actually work.
Yeah, I think the one that you chose was more just for the animation.
Yeah. Yep.
It's like that, I feel weird.
And UDK also comes with a selection of maps for you that you can just go into like this and you can play around with. So this comes with UDK. This is pretty cool. So you can see how all this works. What is this? Oh, this is height fog. And yeah, the water is a particle system.
But it's on a game mode.
Yeah, it's on game mode.
Make the water higher. Make the water hovering.
No, but then you'd have to rebuild it, and the rebuilding is going to take a long time.
You shoot out fire.
Higher than that.
Particle system. Okay.
Hey, I'm leaving then.
Okay. Yep. Particle system. Let's see what other particle systems we can find.
Make it leaves.
Leaves.
Make it a laser beam. A water flow laser beam. Water laser beam. Water laser beam.
Oh, that's not a laser beam at all.
Yes.
Let's try that one instead. Build it. This might actually take about a minute or so because it is a very big level. Come on, you can do it. Come on, light mass.
Imaging photon. 96 megabytes.
Wow. I think what I'll do is load the level up again and just play through it, because this is going to take a while. Oh wait, collecting. And I have 8 cores in this laptop too. 8 bars, yeah. And also, get yourself a good laptop, because I take this everywhere. It's got a Core i7 in it, it's got ATI 5870 graphics, and I can run anything on it, and it's great for this sort of stuff, because when I first got this one, it was quite pricey. This one was about $2,500, but it is pretty top of the line. You can get a good, decent gaming laptop for about $1,500 or so. But I'm going to cancel that. Hit save, and I'll load it back up again. Yeah, this is also my gaming computer, so it's got a bit of everything on it. And I've got the registry tweak on my computer, so it doesn't automatically restart. So I can keep that there as long as I like. It's going to bother me, so I'm going to set it to go 4 hours. Go away, Windows Update. Sorry? You can't go into the exe. These are all map files. So Like it gives you all the map files that come with UDK or Unreal Tournament 3, like these foliage maps, and you can see how it's all built up. But then you can actually turn this into an exe and share it around. Okay, so this is what you can do with the Unreal Engine. You can go through this. This is showing you different materials. Oh, it doesn't change your perspective when you walk into it. And that's the lava texture. And this is cool because you can create procedural textures sort of in UDK. Like this is a couple of different texture files, but one of them fades in, the other fades out. And so it looks like it's burning away when it's not. Oh, it's opening up again. Through here we got some plants. And what is that? Wingardium Leviosa. It is a sword. I can't pick up the sword. Unfortunate. No. Oh, what happened there? Oh, cinematic. Ah. I can show you actually if you want to see cinematics. Yeah. That was when I was flying before. Hey, it's a bird. And yeah, so if you want to see how to do lighting, open up these ones and see where they put the lights. Oh, come on, cinematic. I want to play the level again.
Hey, if you jump in the water, does it splash?
You can make water do that. I don't know if they've done it. I'll see.
Make them all on fire. Kill the spinach if you jump in the water. Make the entire environment destructible.
Oh, okay. Oh no, I need the latest version of UDK to do that. I can't do that on this version. Oh, it stops. Oh, what? It stops. That's not fair at all. I'm going to play from here. I reject the spawn point and substitute my own. Lens flare.
However, they have crafted an underwater environment and the light effects.
I can't actually get out of the water. I can't get out.
Make the water solid. Jesus. I guess there's a reason why you're not.
Ah, no. What did I do? What did I do? Yeah, I was going to fly. Yeah. You see, this is what our lecturer did all the time. He would just fly. I'm going to go high enough. I'm going to go outside the skybox. Oh, look at this. Let's go this way. This one's more fun. Where are they? There's one. Yes. can't give myself a different weapon. Oh well.
Impulse 101.
Yay! Yes. I can show you how to do.
Crash your laptop.
I have 12 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think that's going to happen. A million what? I don't know how many it supports, but I'll try. Ah, there's only one spawn point. Oh wait! Where is all this happening? I want to join the fun. Oh, there's one. There's the guns on the ground too. Yeah. Wow! What a spawn camper!
Make more spawn points than spawn a million.
Yes.
Every contact matters. Yeah, pretty much.
That big round thing is the skybox.
Yeah, exactly. Make the skybox the same size as the map so that you look like you're walking in the sky.
And what you do is you just hold down the Alt key and drag, and you can put spawn points wherever you like. And I'm just duplicating spawn points by holding down the Alt key. So there's going to be spawn points all over the place.
Everywhere. It's going to be.
Yeah, I think like the people are just going to fall on the water.
Okay.
What happens? And then they'll shoot each other with laser beams underwater.
Isn't that the main thing?
I would make the water turn into steam when you shoot a laser beam at it.
Yeah, that's
So cool.
The sky is falling. It's suddenly got a lot smaller in here and more confined. Now what did? Oh, I turned off objects. You can do that. You can just turn off objects. Okay.
All the trees made out.
The trees.
Make the stupid answer if you want.
This is a static mesh. So this is made in a different 3D program and then brought into UDK, just like I did with those beds that I made.
What's the dragon?
This is a fog volume, height fog. It's given that because you can't actually see it until you start playing the game. So you need something to identify with. It's not going to do anything, so because it's not interactable with.
Make an actual dinosaur. Make it a head. Make an actual dinosaur. Make it a head.
I don't know what's in here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look for static meshes. Oh, cool. I've got some random stuff. Yeah, there's trees. I can add barrels.
Spawn a million barrels.
Spawn. If I open up Kismet, this. Okay, I'll do that then. I can drop a vehicle in and drive around in it. Yeah. Yeah, I made the sky a lot closer. I don't think this many will spawn, but we'll see. There's one, there's another one.
Don't walk through the door.
But I don't think any of the other spawn points are working.
Spawn inside. Spawn inside the spawn.
I could spawn inside the spawn, but this here, you see, this is what controls the cinematics. And what happens here is it's switching from different cameras. It goes to this, and this is what you see with the camera. And you can control this fading in and out. So you've got 3 different cameras here. You can select this first camera at this keyframe here. Yeah, movement. And you see, this is the path that the camera is taking through the level. And you can change this path too. You can edit all of this. It's a lot easier on a larger screen, I must say.
Make the camera zoom in and out 1 million times within 3 seconds.
Seize your time.
I think you are asking the impossible there. But I'll add a new camera in. Okay, this is how you do it. I want to add pylon. Deploy additional pylons. What does a pylon do?
When no one knows.
Needs more pylon.
Apparently it generates
things.
It generates the box.
I haven't used pylons before. Let's see if anything happens.
What do they do?
They allow you to build.
Play from here. Where's my play from here button?
What do pylons in UDK do? You got
The pylon is not there. There is no pylon.
Your pylons are not very good.
No, they are not. I can add.
Make it just like Silent Hill.
So this is how you start off with the cinematic. You add a camera in, but then you got to actually link it up. So inside of Kismet, you need to make a new.
Make a replica of Minecraft in UDK.
I would need to create a lot of things and take a lot of textures out of Minecraft, but it could be done with enough time.
Yes, it could be done. I know how it could be done. You should
Add
make
new
lots and
camera.
lots of blocks.
Yes.
So you would never ever need to change the box. The box name.
So what I can do now is I can add another keyframe, and then I want to lock selected vectors to camera, and now I'm looking through the camera. So I can move the camera somewhere else. And selecting the camera again, and then I can move it somewhere else, and I can keep doing that as much as I like. And that will finish that up.
Make the tree the size of the map.
I can do that, but just to finish up my demonstration though, is this going to work? It's not going to show me. Okay. Well, the camera moved, but my viewport isn't updated with it. So, yes. That is how you sort of go about making a cinematic.
Just delete the trigger, then the cinematic will stay the same.
Yeah, and if I want to go out into the world, I can stop that cinematic from triggering by just taking out the trigger volume touch, and now the trigger will not do anything. Yes, there we go. And so now, just by taking out those nodes, I'll be able to walk through here. Now I can go outside. Oh, there's a blocking volume. Aha!
Needs more pylon.
When in doubt, no shit up.
How would you stop the
texture?
The texture popping when you load it up. You have not so pixels to go away.
I don't know what that is. Bad size, yeah.
It's lag. Discover what that spinning saw was doing.
I think that's the bad size thing. Where to go? There it is.
Go into third person.
Oh, well, I've got to stop doing that. I was looking my camera. Whoa! I just moved the wall out. There's the sword. There it is. This is just a static mesh, but I can find this.
Make the sword deadly. Suicide swords.
Okay, and I can find this in Kismet somewhere. Is this a particle system? Ah, that's what they've done. They put a color ribbon behind it.
Make a giant fireball.
Sorry, just give me 1 minute. Hello? Hello? Hey. Yep. I'm showing them UDK. I'm still doing my presentation. Tom was here. Yep. Sorry. Would you be able to talk to Layla for me? Layla. Thank you. But what I was gonna do? Where was the outside bit? This bit? No? Through here? I wanted to go outside. This here is a trigger volume that's going to stop me from moving, so I'm going to delete that, and now I can walk out here. I hope.
Make sure there was no other one.
I can't see anything else.
Do a search for it. Oh well.
Now I can walk outside? No? Let's try this again.
Just delete the doorway.
Let's delete that door. Yay, let's try that.
Don't delete the floor, that'll go bad.
Challenge accepted.
Wow. I think I spawned in the wrong spot.
Spawn bots. Spawn bots.
Yay.
Now what the hell is this?
Spawn bots.
So, let's see if that bot will find me. It won't add 1 million bots. It's not set up that easily.
Spawn the swords.
Come through here, bot. Wow. This is a very happy accident. Oh, they're clipping into the skybox. The skybox is deadly. Oh, killed. Yeah, that is just some of the fun stuff that you can do in UDK. Is there anything else, or should we wrap up? Yeah? Okay. If you want a health meter, you're going to have to sort of sync it up to a sort of user interface element. You can actually send commands back and forward to Flash. So if you have it set up properly, you'll be able to create a variable in Kismet here, and such as a float or something like that, and this will get updated over time. Like if you get hit or take damage, this will decrease or increase, and then it would send that value off to Flash and come back. I did put in like a health system into one of my games where it sort of decreased over time, but I haven't actually done much more user interface stuff than that.
Make it third person. Make the camera third person.
Third person? You can probably look up how to do that, because I don't know how to do that. Yeah, that's about all I learnt in UDK over the past couple of months. And sorry? Yeah, yeah. So there is definitely ways to do it. Sorry?
Can you change them from being robots to like being humans?
Not quite sure. Yeah? Oh yeah. You change the player's camera to a different camera, but then you bind that camera to the player so it moves around. Yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you. Okay.